name is Kasia and I live in Bidwell with my 2 boys, Alexander and William. My hobbies are cooking and swimming. I think that the best food that you can have is the food that you grow yourself, and the best eggs that you can have are the eggs that are laid every day by your own chickens. I feel a little bit frustrated in my bedroom because there is hardly any space and I'm finding it very difficult to relax and enjoy.
Mum, about 7 months ago, was diagnosed with cancer. She had to go through chemotherapy and surgery just recently.
I believe that everybody's bedroom should be their own oasis. It should be their own patch where they can go and relax. My bedroom has got a blue color, and blue color is probably my least favorite color that I would ever opt for. So I don't feel like it's part of my personality. I don't feel it's part of me. I love my bedroom now, it's absolutely beautiful. IKEA have even turned my old wardrobe into an office space.
This has all just come at such a brilliant time as well. During the time that Mum does have to recover and does have to relax a bit more, it's just so awesome that she's able to come back to a nice comfy bed and new room that just makes it feel awesome, so it's really great.
And there is no more blue in my place, which I absolutely love. It just feels so tranquil in here. The colors are just absolutely beautiful and relaxing, and I really, really love it.